Hello Rafiki, karibu tena to our channel if you're already part of this amazing family. And if you are a new subscriber, karibu sana na karibu tena. My good name is African Adoyo and umekaribishwa to our Rafiki's Little World. This is a cooking video. Today we are going to make kids snack. This is a very famous snack in Kenya. Inaitwa numbers. Like the snack is called numbers. They're like little numbers that kids eat. It's very common in Kenya. If you don't know it, let me just show you now. So this is how the numbers look like. This has not been cooked yet, haijapikwa bado. So they look like this before being cooked. So when I cook them, you're going to definitely know them. Kama bado hujajua what they are. Today I'm incorporating Kiswahili and English because I know most of my viewers are going to be Swahili speakers because they can relate to this more. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm going to show you first the ingredients we are going to use today. Simple, of course. This is the main ingredient, the numbers. And then oil. We have our oil here. I'm going to pour it inside here. Then, yeah, just a spoon to turn around the numbers. And this pot here where we are going to place them. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So definitely the first ingredient we have is these numbers, these ones. And these are what we are going to use. Hizi ndo tutatumia, these numbers, uncooked numbers. Cooking oil, I'm going to transfer it to that pot, and then this is where we are going to place the numbers after we've cooked. And of course, I'm going to find these paper towels handy. They're going to help me absorb oil after we've put them there. Nimeweka mafuta, it's still getting hot. We will wait until it is settled. Kisha settle, it's when tutamwaga numbers inside baadaye. Meanwhile guys, I've really invested in this video. Mnaona I even bought these chef things. Although I feel like zina give those wale watu wanaendanga hizi church za kudundu. I don't know, they're called Lejo Maria or Roho. Iko na hiyo vibe somehow. But yeah, I think I look like a professional chef. Only one thing missing. Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, this one for wiping my hand. Ndo nisichafue this apron with oil. So we'll put that there. Nikiwa na oil in my hand, napanguza hapo. This is how you guys do it. Chefs in the house. Comment down below, let us know. Yeah, so our oil is almost ready. First round, we are only going to go in with a little of this simingi, just maybe a handful or two. Yeah, and this video is dedicated kwa wale wa mama wenye are stay at home moms. Maybe your husband leaves in the morning, anakuachia some little money. Hiyo pesa ndo unabudgetia breakfast, lunch and supper. Still ndio pesa unafaa kuweka nayo budget ya snacks ya watoto wenye wanaenda nayo shule ama zenye watakula at home. So if you watch this na maybe unatumia pesa mingi sana side ya snack, you are really going to save a lot. You're going to save a lot on that. Yeah, na hata hiyo pesa unaweza peleka kwa chama or whatever, ama ujiendeleze nayo, ama hata uende salon. Si ndio guys? Yeah, so this video is dedicated to you. Yeah, so guys, I think our oil is ready. Juu imeanza kutoa moshi, so for a trial tunaweza start with maybe these 3 pieces. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's ready because it's forming bubbles. Yeah, so guys, I think our oil is ready. We will just let me start with a handful like this. It's really hot. And they cook so fast, so usiache ziungue. Turn them almost immediately. See, like they're almost ready now. And you just cook them venye ziko directly from the pack. You don't have to add anything like salt ama whatsoever. They are ready, guys. I've even overcooked them, so we'll do better with the second lot. So you put them in the oil for like 30 seconds peke yake. 1 minute is too long. 30 seconds zikifura tu hivi, you take them out. Actually, hii hata is a good business idea. Unaweza kuwa unazipika hivi in bulk, then unazipack, because in shops huwa zinauzwa like this much for 10 shillings. For 10 shillings. And I bought 1 kg at 190. So mnaona this is a good business idea wenye hawana biashara. At least these ones are giving. Hata ziko safi. They are not burnt. Rafiki, that was it. Ilikuwa as simple as that. Tumeshapika our numbers. This is the final result. They are so hot. They are so hot, but this is our final result. This is the final result. Zinakaa zile mnanunuanga kwa shop ama kuna penye nimegonga nje. From my opinion, I think they are okay. Zinakaa hizo exactly. And yeah, mission passed. So that was it for this video. Tell me the video you want to see me do next. Nini mnataka tupike next? Vitu zinapatikana locally. What do you want to see us cooking in this beautiful kitchen next? Already niko na attire, so I'll be giving you cooking videos back to back. Nipeni ideas what you want to see to these kitchen videos, but tuko na attire. Ukikuwa na attire unapika tu. Ukikuwa na attire unapika tu. So guys, tell me what you want to see me cooking next. Favor tu mtanifanyia is please subscribe ndio mnimotivate kushoot more videos na kuwapea content back to back. Thank you so much for watching. Kwaheri and much love from Kenya.